Have you ever noticed something strange? No matter how much you change yourself, improve, or learn, you still end up attracting the same type of wrong people. Different face, same outcome. Different situation, same emotional damage. So here's the real question. Is it really bad luck? Or is something inside you choosing them before you even realize it? This is important because most people believe relationships are random. They think, I just met the wrong person. It happened by chance. Next time will be different. But when the same pattern keeps repeating, it stops being coincidence and starts becoming psychology. Attraction is not fully logical. It is driven by invisible forces inside your mind. Familiarity. Your brain feels safe around what it already knows, even if it hurts. Emotional memory. Your past quietly shapes what feels normal in people. Unresolved emotions. You are often drawn to people who reflect emotional gaps inside you. So instead of choosing with logic, your brain chooses with familiarity. Not what is good for you, but what feels known. For example, someone grows up in an environment where love is inconsistent. Sometimes attention, sometimes silence. Later in life, they may feel strong attraction toward emotionally unavailable people. Not because they like pain, but because their brain confuses inconsistency with love. Or someone who always tries to fix others often attracts people who need fixing, because their identity becomes tied to one belief. If I help them, I will finally be enough. Even friendships follow this pattern. People who tolerate disrespect keep meeting disrespect, not because the world is unfair, but because boundaries are already weak inside. Most people think the problem is other people, but the deeper truth is, you don't attract people randomly. You recognize what already feels familiar inside you and accept it without realizing it. It's not just who enters your life, it's who you allow to stay. This shows up everywhere in life. In relationships, you ignore red flags because they feel normal. In friendships, you tolerate what you secretly dislike. In dating, you confuse emotional intensity with love. And the cycle continues. Same pattern, different person, until you become aware of what your mind keeps repeating. So maybe the real question is not, why do I keep meeting the wrong people? But instead, what part of me keeps recognizing them as familiar? Because once you understand this, you stop chasing better people and start understanding yourself. And that changes everything. Because the people you attract always reflect the version of you you have not fully understood yet.